Let me ask you a question. Every day when you wake up, are you yawning or are you gulping in your life? Are you excited or thrilled to start your day, or are you thinking, oh shit man, another day? When you're working on a project, are you excited to implement something in that project, or are you thinking, man, when will I get free from this project? Now let me tell you, there are two different way of living. One is when you have so many interesting things to do and you're gulping in life, and another way is you are just stretching your life and just dragging your life. Choice is yours. Every day you should be gulping in your life, and you have to trade your yawning with your gulping. If you can do that, you are on a path of significance. You are creating something which will last for long. 95% people have good intention, but they're not intentional. There's a difference. Good intention is not a problem. Even a criminal have a good intention when he kills somebody. But you need to be intentional for your growth. You cannot keep it on a toss. Something needs to be done for your end to grow in your life. So, let me tell you, how can you create a life of excitement? How can pull off that lid from you so that you can grow, you can stretch yourself? 5 things I'll give you right now. The first point is, do the things you have never done before. That is the decision part. Second thing, learn the things you have never learned before. That is preparation part. Third point is, stop the things you have never stopped before. That is reflection part. Because Jim Collins says this: before you make a to-do list, make a not to-do list. Because a lot of people, when you have to grow something, you have to grow in your life, it means you have to stop doing certain things. Because time is same, time is limited. If you are busy today, you will be busy tomorrow. The only thing is you have to remove those non-essential things from your life. And before you make a to-do list, do make a not to-do list first. Fourth point, change the things you have never changed before. Now that is the courage part. It needs courage to change the things you have never changed before. And trust me, I remember when I started my entrepreneurship journey, I had to change certain ways, certain things we had been comfortable with. But I realized change is difficult. My schedule has to be changed. My personality needs a change. My relationship skill needs a change. And I realized if I do not change, my life will be stuck. And that was a real courageous part, because life was comfortable, salary was good, and along with that, if you have to change, that is not easy. But I made a decision in my life that I want to grow. So it means even if I have to change, I mustered the courage to change myself. Fifth point, be someone you have never been before. That is the outcome part. So I summarize all the 5 points again. If you want to live a life where gulping rather than yawning, these are the 5 points you can follow, and I summarize these 5 points. Number 1, do the things you have never done before. That is the decision part. Number 2, learn the things you have never learned before. That is the preparation part. Number 3, stop the things you have never stopped before. Number 4, change the things you have never changed before. And the point number 5 is, become the person you have never become before. Apply these 5 points and live a life which is full of excitement. Trust me, nothing can change in the world if we are not willing to change. If external circumstances are going to control our excitement in life, we will always be dependent upon somebody to be excited in our life. That is not a good scenario. It was great talking to you today, and I'll come up with another topic next time. Until then, subscribe to our Peak Impact Mentorship channel. And if you want to stretch yourself, if you want to live a life which is gulping, then I can tell you, if you already have an atmosphere where somebody is stretching you and growing you, congratulations. You are among the few. Because in the whole world, there are only less than 5% people who are stretching themselves and who are growing to their full potential. And you are one of them. If you are not, nothing to worry. I was one of them. I didn't have the growth atmosphere, so I got John Maxwell team with me to stretch me and grow me. And I am offering that to you today. That if you have never been in that atmosphere, Peak Impact Mentorship is your destination, which can help you, stretch you, grow you, and bring out the best in you. Are you ready? Is the question. It was great talking to you. I'll meet you up again. Until then, goodbye.